What we're doing is hooking up our field connectors for our sensors. First, you grab your cap, you slide that on. Next is your black piece with your white band facing towards the sensor. And if you look at this gray piece they have in there, all the numbers that are on here are color coded to match your wires.
Brown, blue, black.
Brown, blue, and black. So now what we're going to do is you cut, it says right on the instructions, right here, that you cut the wires from 15 to 20 millimeters. So I went with 17, just to keep it right in the middle. We're going to take our colored wires and we're going to slide them through the appropriate point. So now we're good. These are in. Boom, boom. Next, you take this guy, slide it on. This is only going to go in one way, so you got to find which way it goes in, just like that. We're going to slide our cap down. We're going to tighten her up. And there we have one field connector. Bada bing.